Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I'm here to share with you a brand new card class for you to take. Now, this one is the Flowering Tulips Card Class to go. And as you can see, it features the suite of the flowering fields from the new January through June mini catalog from Stampin' Up. Now, this class is just amazing. As you can see, it has all tulips, which, if you know, I just love tulips. Tulips is my favorite flower, and so I couldn't wait to be playing with this. Now, the class is really great because it has really good sentiments on the set. There's some thinking of you, Mother's Day, birthdays, thank you. So there's definitely a really good variety of sentiments that you could use for your cards. Now, as usual, I have two options for you to take. And so option one is for those of you who want to get the Make and Take kit to make all 6 cards, all different designs, as you can see. And you also get a pack of the brush brass butterflies, which you can see these are really nice, and of course we're going to be using them in your class. Also, you're going to be getting a spool of the reversible ribbon in the Old Olive Pretty Peacock, which, my goodness, goes really well as well. And then of course you're going to be getting half of a pack of the amazing Flowering Fields Designer Series paper. This pack is just amazing. All the colors, all the patterns goes really well together, so I'm sure you're going to love playing with this pack. So it will also have a PDF that has the pictures and the measurements, as well as links to the video tutorials to make your projects. Now, I do want to make sure you know this class is all about video tutorials, mainly because I feel like I can give you more value for your money. I can show you a step-by-step how to put your cards together. And in this case, this class actually has a video where I share with you how to put together your tulips, and also like the coloring that I use for this one. So definitely really good. I feel like I can share more things and more tips with you on that way. Now, the option one, the fee is $49 plus $9 shipping. I ship on a priority flat rate envelope, so it usually arrives 2 to 3 days once I ship. And there's always a tracking number and insurance, so we always know where your packet is. So for you to sign up, oh, before I move on, now for this class, you definitely need to have the Flowering Tulips bundle, which let me just show you here. As I say, this one is just amazing. Look at all the different sentiments. I love the fonts. I love the sentiments. I feel like you can use it for so many occasions. And then of course, the showstopper here is the dies, because oh my goodness, you definitely are gonna be in love with the dies. They're very easy to use, and like I said, I have a video of on how to put them together and which pieces go together to make all your tulips. So definitely you want to have this bundle to be able to make your cards. But don't worry, I'll have these as an option to add on to your class, so that if you want me to include the bundle, I can add it to your Make and Take kit. All right. So now, for you to be able to sign up for the option one, you need to be on my mailing list. So make sure you are signed up on that. You can go in the description. It says bit.ly/stay in contact with Ali. That way you're on my mailing list. Or B, you could email me and ask for it. You can email me at ali@creatingwithali.com. Just let me know you want to get the registration form, and I mail it to you so that you are able to sign up. Now, I cannot share it here by policies from Stampin' Up, but I can always email it, and I usually email it to my customers or my distribution list on my mailing list. So make sure you are signed up there if you want to be getting all the different links for all the classes that I release throughout the year. So that's option one. Now, option two is for those of you who already have the paper, the embellishments, and everything. You just want the instructions. You just want the video tutorial. You don't need me to cut anything for you. And so that option is available at my store at creatingwithali.com/shop, and I'll put here in the description, or in this corner, a link to the tutorial so that you can go and purchase it yourself, that one is $20. And as soon as you purchase, you get a downloadable link so that you can get all the instructions and the video tutorials right away. So if you have any questions, let me know. I know you're going to love making all these projects. I'm sure you're going to enjoy every single one of them, and you're going to see how easy all of them are. So anyway, so thank you so much. If you have any questions, as always, you can email me at ali@creatingwithali.com, and I look forward to seeing you inside of the class. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.